How to scan Spotify code on Spotify app easy and fast. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to scan a Spotify code easy and fast. All what you have to do, go to Spotify. Now go to the search option right here down below. Now let's say that you want to scan a code. All what you have to do is go to the top corner and click on the camera here. Click on it like this, and here you go. Now from here you will be able to scan a Spotify code easy and fast by point your camera at the Spotify code. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.